Jai. The front division of the ceremonial escort, led by Risaldar Major and Honorary Lieutenant Kuldeep Singh on Glorious, the regimental colours being carried by Risaldar Jasmeel Singh on Ronak, and the rear division commanded by Risaldar Ravinder Singh on his horse Sultan. The crisp sound of horseshoes on the tarmac, now getting louder. Prime Minister Narendra Modi waiting to receive the President and our chief guest. The crowd's also eager, warm and welcoming.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sri Ram Nath Kovind, the President of India, accompanied by His Excellency Mr. Jair Messias Bolsonaro, President of the Federative Republic of Brazil.
President Mr. Ram Nath Kovind and our chief guest, His Excellency Mr. Jair Bolsonaro, the President of Brazil, arriving for the Republic Day parade at Rajpath. Being received by Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi.
The President of India and the state guest being received by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi.
And they'll now be presented to Mr. Rajnath Singh, Raksha Mantri, the Raksha Rajya Mantri, Shripad Nayak, General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff, General Manoj Mukund Naravane, Chief of Army Staff, Admiral Karambir Singh, Chief of Naval Staff, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria, Chief of Air Staff, and Defence Secretary Dr. Ajay Kumar.
As the 38th President of Brazil. In 1977, he graduated from the prestigious Military Academy of Aguilas Negras. In 1988, he joined politics as representative Rio de Janeiro for 7 consecutive terms, highlighting his deep connect with the masses.
His Excellency, the President of Brazil, Mr. Jair Bolsonaro, and Mr. Ram Nath Kovind, the President and Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, now being escorted to the presidential enclosure.
भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्री रामनाथ कोविंद के साथ आज के गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह के माननीय मुख्य अतिथि ब्राजील के राष्ट्रपति श्री जायर बोल्सोनारो का राजपथ पर आगमन। भारत और ब्राजील का कई क्षेत्रों में गहरा सहयोग है, जिनमें व्यापार शामिल है। कई भारतीय शहरों में दौड़ती टाटा मार्को पोलो की बसें इसी का जीवंत उदाहरण हैं। दोनों देश सन 2023 में अपने कूटनीतिक संबंधों की प्लैटिनम जुबली मनाएंगे।
Invitees in the adjacent enclosures greeting our dignitaries and waving as they proceed up the stairs. The enclosure is bedecked with beautiful flowers and ornate chhatris, flowers every step of the way. And shortly we'll hear the Commandant of the President's Bodyguard give his word of command for the national salute. The national anthem will be played, the national flag unfurled, and there'll be a 21-gun salute.
Riding tall, stately and perfectly groomed, men in mounts from the oldest regiment of the Indian Army.
The outstanding scientists of DRDO. Space has become an important dimension of the country's economic and military superiority.
भारत की सैन्य शक्ति का प्रदर्शन और सलामी मंच के सामने
The students from Vinaynagar Bengali Senior Secondary School.
अन्य विमानों में होंगे विंग कमांडर अर्जारिया, विंग कमांडर गौतम, स्क्वाड्रन लीडर गिल और फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट चंदेल। इन जैगुआर विमानों की रफ्तार 780 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की। इस फॉर्मेशन की कमान संभाली है ग्रुप कैप्टन निशित ओहरी ने। बाकी दो विमानों में विंग कमांडर नीलेश दीक्षित और विंग कमांडर करण डोगरा।
Absolutely spectacular, and now peeling off in 3 different directions. The Trishul formation in the sky. And now a befitting salute to the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabhasparsham Deeptam, the brilliance that rose to the sky. We will see a lone Sukhoi 30 MKI flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour that will split the sky with a vertical Charlie. In this aerobatic maneuver, the aircraft